Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the double crochet post rows stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my video on how to do that stitch. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 2. Once you have all of your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 1 and double crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Alright, now that we're done with that, we are going to turn our work and work on row 2, and row 2 will be the repeat for the whole pattern. So we're going to chain 1 and we're going to do a double crochet front post. So you'll insert your hook like you normally do for a double crochet, but then you will take your hook and poke through the back of the next stitch. And that creates a front post, and then you just double crochet as normal. Now to do a back post double crochet, that same hole that we poked through for the last stitch, we are going to insert our hook from the back and then poke our hole through the front of the next stitch, and that is our back loop double crochet. So again, it's through the front, through the back, that's our front post, and then double crochet. Then it's through the back, through the front, double crochet, and that will be our back post double crochet. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be a front post double crochet and then a back post double crochet all the way until the end of the row. Now keep in mind that this is kind of difficult to do when you're first starting out, so I definitely recommend counting each stitch as you go to make sure you haven't missed any stitches. And then once your work gets to a certain size, you'll start to notice when the pattern looks off. So here we are coming up at the end, and I'll show you what to do once we reach the end. So for our pattern, again, was a front post and then a back post, but we won't have a back post to go through. So we'll do our front post double crochet, and then to finish off the row, we will just do a double crochet in the last stitch. And there you go, how to do the double crochet post rows stitch pattern. As you go, it'll end up looking amazing. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.